Hi guys, welcome to another video and to this change of the bag. Currently, I have been using this black bag that you are seeing over there together with my pandemic pouch that I will be showing you in another video. And I decided to change to this fluffy, beautiful pink bag. I have had this bag for, I think, quite some months now, if it's not a year. And I have never used it, to be honest with you. And I decided to change to it because I wanted something sort of fluffy, sort of cute. And since I am not going to the office and I don't need to be so much classic right now, I think this is the best time to use it. So I am going to just remove everything from the black bag over there and showing you the huge mess that I currently have, and will be changing to this beautiful bag over there in pink. So let me get everything out of the bag and we'll show you how I am going to organize the fluffy bag. So the first thing that I want to make sure that it fits is my pandemic Time to Sparkle pouch here that has all the things that I think they are very important that I carry with me right now. I do have my card holder, and let me just place everything on the surface here. I have my tissue pouch that you have seen so many times. I have my sunglasses pouch, my prescription glasses pouch. I have these wet wipes which are almost finished, and I am going to add another pouch which is the wet hankies clean and refresh antibacterial. These are almost finished too, but since I want to have wet wipes in my bag, this is the best time so that I can finish them up, both of them, and then replace them with a new pack. I have my foldable bag. What I have more here? Oh, I have some aspirin. Then I have this usual shiny control sponges that has also a mirror inside. Then I have here this lip gloss from Too Faced. It's the melted latex. So in this pouch here, there is nothing more. Let me see what there is in here. Oh, I have antibacterial. This is aromatherapy stress relief eucalyptus tea. This is from Bath and Body Works. It's hand sanitizer again. I have, oh, this is the lipstick that I have been using. This is me from Essence, number 03 Bold. It's a very, very beautiful color. This time it's a mess. The bag is a mess. I have my watch that I have removed this morning, and this doesn't need to be here. And then I have the key to my office, which doesn't need to be here either. I'm gonna make sure that I am going to empty all the pouches because it happened to me that when I change the bag, I end up leaving some stuff in the previous bag, and I look for the things then eternally and I don't manage to find them. But I have here the shopping notebook that I usually have with me. I have a huge amount of receipts that I'm going to take out later. Some Orbit gum that has been here for a very long time. This is, by the way, a real cleaning of my bag. I think I have never done this on camera because you usually see all the bags that are organized already, but this time I have so much stuff, and when I'm changing the bags I usually find a lot of junk, which is not my normal, but here I do have receipts. I will be taking them out later. By the way, these bags, I bought this from eBay. I will be including the link in the description box down below the video. They are not that expensive, and they hold a ton of stuff. And since they are fabric, as you can see, it's very, very lightweight fabric. You can carry a lot of stuff and they are not um, difficult to hold either. I have the shopping list from this morning. This is the pen I usually keep in my wallet, and there's a bunch of papers over there in the main compartment. I don't know whether you can see it because there's a lot of stuff. Let me just show you a bit. So in the main compartment there is my planner, the usual one. Then I have my makeup pouch, and I have my usual walking pharmacy, and there are a lot of videos about what there is inside this pouch, and I'm gonna place it over there. Here I don't have anything, here I don't have either, and there's nothing here. In the side pockets, there are things here. I have a hand cream which is sugared almond, and it is yes, it's a hand cream because I have like these which are shower gels, and I thought I had placed the shower gel one by mistake in my bag because I was throwing a lot of stuff in my bag this morning. Here I have an inhaler from Vicks. I have my usual Day Defense Cream anti-dry, and I have my Nivea SOS Lip Relief. I use these a lot. I think that's the 4th or 5th one that I have purchased. Then on the other side I have, let me see what I have here. I have a pink mirror. It's a double mirror. I'm not going to open it because it's going to reflect. And I have my foldable brush. And one thing which I removed this morning because I had my bag literally more heavy than it should be, it was the stationery pouch. So let me get it. Let me turn the camera to the rest of the surface, and I will be showing you how am I going to organize the fluffy bag. Okay, so I have got my stationery pouch, which is this one here, and this is all the stuff I need to place in the fluffy bag. So let me just place a bit things aside, get the bag. You will be seeing the actual process I go through whenever I do change my bag. So I need, and I forgot also my wallet because I was using it earlier on its own, so I need to get it. So got the wallet, which is this one here, and this is the bag. Let me just remove aspirin from there because I had a bad headache yesterday and even this morning. I was in for some health tests, and I was so anxious about them that I ended up also having a headache. So yeah, things happen. This is the strap of the bag. This is the bag. It's quite a huge bag. I got this from eBay. It has been a long time ago, but I believe that Dolls Kill have something similar to this, or actually the same thing, but I got this from eBay. I damaged a little bit the strap here, but I tried to repair it so that I can use this bag. And it also has its long strap. So I'm gonna put it a bit aside for the moment, and the very first things that get into my bag, let me show you better, is the pouch here, my walking pharmacy, and usually that stays at the front of the bag. Let me place it. I hope you will manage to see everything very, very well. So that's the very first thing that is placed in every bag, because it will be driving all the other areas that remain available for the other stuff in my bags. So this is the first thing I'm going to be placing at the moment. Another thing that needs to go into the bag is my pandemic pouch, as I call it. and that also goes at the front of each bag so that I make sure that it is easily accessible. So right now I do have my walking pharmacy over there, and I have my pandemic pouch. Then I focused a bit so you can see I'm gonna place my makeup pouch. So first things is always that I go in with the pouches. That's very, very important. And I'm placing my makeup pouch right behind the pandemic pouch. Then my stationery pouch, which is gonna stay behind my makeup pouch. I will be turning it so that you can see. As you can see, this is my stationery pouch, my makeup pouch, my pandemic pouch at the moment, and my walking pharmacy over here. I'm gonna place now my planner at the back again, because that's not something that I will be needing. Let me show you a little bit better, because I know I am trying to show you as much as I can what I am doing. So this is it. Okay, so I have my planner here, and there is quite a lot of space. And I will be placing over there my other pouches, which is one, my card holder. Let me see what I have more. I will be placing my foldable bag, and okay, I need my prescription glasses. Those are things that I don't usually use a lot. My sunglasses. So let me place them in between my walking pharmacy and my planner. And they're going to be placed standing. So the planner will be keeping them standing basically. I have so much stuff which is completely disorganized, and I'm trying to show you as best as I can. So here I have placed the planner, here I have my foldable bag, I have my prescription glasses. Actually, let me just place the prescription glasses standing at the side of the bag, and I have still some space in here, and I'm gonna place my sunglasses over there. On top, I have my wallet, and I'm gonna be placing it like that. My tissues, my tissue pouch, which is gonna stay standing. Let me turn it around, and here at the back I can place my wet wipes, my other pack of wet wipes, and as you can see, it's pretty much filled up, but I still have some things that I need to place over there. I'm placing here the mirror. Again, my shopping notebook will go at the back because it's not something I am going to use frequently. Then I have my moisturizing hand cream staying at the back. What else? Oh, I still have a little bit of more stuff. My foldable hairbrush, my shiny control sponges, mirror here, which I'm going to be placing at the back. I don't know whether you can see it, but I will be giving you a tour of the bag once finished, because I'm turning it around a lot just to be able to place everything in there. And I'm going to place at the back in the zip compartment all these small things here. The lip relief, my Vicks inhaler, my Too Faced melted latex gloss, another hand sanitizer because it's never enough. For the moment, I'm gonna be placing my small pen that I have in my wallet. I'm gonna be placing it here. Then I will be placing it back into my wallet. And the last thing is gonna be the lipstick. So I'm gonna grab the camera in my hand so I can give you sort of a tour, and I can show you much better how I have organized the bag, because the zip at the top is a little bit, I don't know, sort of small, that I cannot open it very well, so I can show you what I have inside the bag. So let me grab it and I will be showing you better. So here, as you can see, this is the inside of the bag. Let me show you better what I've got. I'm gonna remove a little bit my wallet, and this is what I have got. So at the front is my pandemic pouch, as I call it, so that is easily accessible to me, because I need to grab it frequently. I have my makeup pouch, then I have my stationery pouch over there, my foldable brush, my tissue pouch, my sunglasses pouch. Then I have got my planner here, my loyalty cards, membership cards pouch, my walking pharmacy, and here, let me show you better. I do have the foldable bag, which is this one here. And in there, I do have my prescription glasses, as you can see. It's really not easy to show you what's inside the bag because the zip closure does not permit me to just open it very well. And as I said, in this zip compartment, let me get around again. I do have the hand sanitizer, my lipstick, my pen, and the Vicks inhaler, and a bunch of other things. The one thing that is missing besides my wallet that I have taken out to be able to show you, which is this one here, from the bag to be able to show you the inside, is my phone pouch, which is currently on my nightstand with all the stuff in it charging. So I will be placing it on the makeup pouch here, which is quite short, and then I go in with my wallet on top of the other pouches, because that is also something which needs to be accessible easily. So that's it for this bag. It's really not that easy to be able to show you all the bag, as it is a big bag, but it holds basically everything, and I thought that it was time to use it. I don't know, maybe some of you out there that usually use smaller bags can use this bag for the gym and not for your daily errands and daily needs, but in my case, I always need a big bag. So you can see it's sort of having a puppy. I think that it can be thought about like that because it's so fluffy and so soft and so nice to the touch. But anyways, I hope that you have liked this video where I was cleaning up the huge mess that I had inside my bag, and I hope that you will be coming for more. And until the next one, take care. Bye.